you seen the sky lately? Those wicked white lines, they're poison, and they fall on you and I. These devious deeds will sadly proceed until we all demand an answer why. They're murdering us from the sky. It's time to stop the madness and end this evil crime of murdering us from the sky. If we don't, we'll die. In the bright light of day, they brazenly spray these chemtrails into the atmosphere that bring disease and distress. It's a toxic game of chess they play without a bit of guilt or fear. They're murdering us from the sky. It's time to stop the madness and end this evil crime, murdering us from the sky. 'Cause if we don't, we'll die. Sure, there's lots of other things I'd rather think about or do, but it's hard to with what's going on above. And if you feel like me, that it's a human tragedy, let the ones in power know you've had enough of this murdering us from the sky. It's time to stop the madness and end this evil crime of murdering us from the sky. 'Cause if we don't, we'll die. Stop this murdering, this crazy murdering. We'll die. Stop this murdering. Stop this murdering. Stop this murdering, this crazy murdering. This insanity. Stop this murdering. Ain't there enough ways to die? Stop this murdering, this crazy murdering. Stop this murdering now. Stop this murdering, this crazy murdering. Stop this murdering now.
Well, oh great, I'm a psychopath, you know.
Let it rain, let it pour, let it snow on Arkansas. I got the chemtrail blues. Gonna thunder, lightning too. Lord, won't you tell the
put your mask on or you'll
breathe the gas of peace. What in the world are we gonna do? It's been killing my friends, it's gonna kill you too. Oh, I got the chemtrail blues. Clouds that have no definition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Oh, I got the chemtrail blues. Let it rain, let it pour. There's a funky snow down Arkansas way. I got the chemtrail blues.